Aloha crafty friends, happy Wednesday. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I am back on today with another outgoing swap project share. I'm running a little behind on my swaps, but I'm not late though. So a lot of these projects are Valentine themed, and I was hoping to get them out before Valentine's, but again, since I had family visiting, I didn't craft for about a week, and so that put me, slightly behind. But anyway, so this project, or this outgoing swap, we were to make two mini chipboard clipboards. And so I just want to share what I created. And so these are my two mini chipboard clipboards. They did put a tutorial. They always put a tutorial to follow, in the description. And so this was a Bambi Deer tutorial, how to make this mini clipboard. So this is the measurement, which is, I think, 2.5 by 4. 2.5 by 4. And so yeah, I really like how this turned out. I used a butterfly die here, which I used in my previous video, and I don't think I pulled it out. I'm sorry. I think this is from either kscraft or zfparty, but if I can find where I got it from, I'll definitely link it below. And this is just from that pack again, the ephemera pack that I purchased from Amazon. Let me see if I put it on the side. I'm sorry guys, my room is a mess. I've just been trying to catch up on everything. So this is, again, I'm still using the bits from here. And then the paper collection is still that Norbert's Valentine. Let me see. Tulla and Norbert's. This is what I've been using. I've actually kind of mixed the collection up. I used a little bit of that, and then this Sweetheart's Day from Michael's, the Recollections pad. So I used some of that as well. And I like mixing different paper themes. Makes it fun and interesting. So anyway, so I did that. I put these mini clips on here, and I made a paper dangle, and I really love how this turned out. I used a tutorial by Septeria 18, and so that's my first one. This is just optional. This I just wanted to put that on there. You just have to make the clipboard and decorate it. The next one is this one here, and again I used the tutorial to make a paper dangle. This one is hearts and this one is circles, and I put some beads at the bottom. I used again some ephemera from the pack from Amazon. These are just from my stash. I used this memo pad die that I had in my stash. I've had it for a long time. I don't know where it's from. And this is just a paper punch that I purchased from Amazon. It's a set of 3 sakura flowers, so it's the small, medium, and large. So I just put them together and put some rhinestones in the middle. And so yeah, I really like how it turned out. It's really cute. So I hope she really likes what I created. And I did create some extras. And so let me just go ahead and share that. So let's see, I'll put this to the side. I made this cute little arrow straw wand. This is the Scrap Diva Designs. I know it's kind of messy. This is her arrow die here. So I made her that. And then I also made this cute little bag, which came from my stash. I do not know where it's from, but this is what it looks like. And it has all these extra pieces, and I don't know how to use it. Like, I don't know what this piece is for, or that piece. I need to have a better habit of writing where it's from so I can go back to my orders and see. But the only thing with this die is this slice doesn't go all the way up, so I had to cut it. So this is the first time using this die, so I didn't know that, so I can't dispute it because it's probably like years old already. But yeah, so I made a rosette. I put a doily die here, put some gold thread, and I used this pinwheel die set from kscraft in the center. just to give it some dimension, and I put some glitter tool behind it. This is just from my stash here, just to close it. And then I did put some hearts in here, some acrylic hearts for her to use in her projects. So I really like how this turned out, super cute. So I love that. So that's going to her as well. And last but not least, I made this, it's a cracker box by Crafty Design. I was having issues with the window cutting out. I did send an email. She hasn't responded though, so I'm not sure if anybody else has had that issue. But it didn't cut all the way, so I had to actually use scissors to cut it, which I don't want to do that all the time. And so I did use a shim. I did it 3 different times, and it just will not cut. This part of it, I guess maybe is not sharp, I'm not sure. But I used the manual Sizzix machine. I've used the Empress, and it just will not cut in one area. So I had to like cut it. And like I said, I really, for the price I paid, I really don't want to do that all the time. But I do like how this turned out. And I did make some mini rosettes in there. I got that idea from Nat, who is put some bling on it here. So I gifted some, about 4 rosettes in there. I don't want to take it apart because this glitter gets all over the place. And so yeah, so this is what I'm gonna send out, and I hope she likes it. The only requirement was to make these 2, but you know, you have to, I always like to put in some extras. And I'm gonna put these in these cute little bags here, and I'm just gonna close it with washi tape. I was gonna do one, and I almost forgot to do my video and so I thought I better do that. So it's just gonna be pretty simple, because I'm gonna put this in a bag. Like, these bags are gonna go in a bag, and so I just thought to like kind of put it in nicely. We'll try to get it nice anyway, like so, something like that. And then I was just gonna fold it over and then use my nice washi, and then I'm gonna put all this in a bag, kind of like so. Well, you know, put it in another bag, and then this one will go in here, which I think is really cute. I love polka dots. I got these bags from Temu, and so I purchased these bags. They were really inexpensive. I think I got like 100 for like $2 or something, and they shipped really quick. So I really like that shopping platform. But anyway, so I'm gonna fix that later, but just want to share, this is what I'm gonna be sending out. I hope y'all got some inspiration. I hope y'all are having a happy Wednesday, and I will be back on. I have a few more projects I have to get out, and so I want to do those videos and, you know, get everything shipped out. So take care, everyone. Stay crafty, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.